Strategic planning, customer and market. Yes, any doubts? Uh, Leadership, it is what, how your personal actions of the organization, senior leaders guide and sustain the organizations. It is what qualities you have based on the leadership here. How you are going to manage your company or organization or any this what small business enterprise it is there here. And in that company, how you are going to handle the social, ethical, and legal responsibilities here. Here again, two things are there. One, it is a senior leadership, and another it is what governance and social responsibility. So we have learned what exactly the senior leadership it is, what how they are going to motivate the employees or how they are going to communicate with the employees. This is the then guiding entire company or organization. This we have done, and the governance and social responsibility we have discussed. Accountability for management actions here, financial it will be there, and what will be the performance of higher level people like CEO, then director, then co-director, everything it is there, that is being done by the governance and social responsibility here. Okay. Then the strategic planning. It examines how the organization develop its strategic objectives, what goals you're going to start, I mean, what goals you're going to keep for your organization, and how these goals are going to get implemented, I mean, achieved here. So again, here two things are there: strategy development and strategy development deployment here. You are supposed to collect the resources. I mean, what resources you're going to have to achieve the goal. Decide the goal. What are the goals here? And to achieve that goals, what resources you require here. So that execution should be done in the strategy deployment here. Then the customer focus, it is going to determine the customer requirements. What are the needs of the requirement customers here? What they need actually? What are the expectations of the customers? Build the customer relationship. Use the customer feedback. Yes, every time you require the feedback. Without the feedback, your business or organization will not grow properly. So you need always the this what customer feedback here. Identify new opportunities for innovation here. What are the new ideas? What innovation can be done? So that ideas also can be taken from the customer itself. I had given the example of the people, what old aged people who are handling the grocery shop. They might be not knowing the Google Pay or Phone Pay. So some customer will give them a feedback, or they will try to give the innovative ideas here. So that is what I had discussed. Then here 2 points are there: the customer and market knowledge here. Check what customers needs and what is the market knowledge, what actually outside the knowledge is there here. Okay. And the last one, it is what customer relationship and satisfaction here. So today we will learn what are the measurement, analysis, knowledge, and management here. Here what exactly it is done here. Your goal is ready, your organization is ready, your resources are also ready, planning is also done. Now all whatever your goals, whatever the plans you people have done, how you are going to implement, and while implementing, what measurement has done, like what is a percentage. Now your live example of your project, still your project has not been yet started, it is kind of 5%. Okay. 5% means what? Only titles you people have given, synopsis you have given. Still approval has to come with you people. Once the approval comes here near you, you will start building actually the project here. So that time the project building happens here. So you yourself have to check measurement. Have you collected the requirements? Have you started designing? As your testing has done, coding part has done, everything should be measured here. Okay. Then here let us see measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. So it will determine how the organization selects. Okay. First of all, in the company or organization or in the business or enterprises, select. I mean, what kind of a product you people are going, I mean, business you're going to do. So for that business, what kind of a product you people are going to use? Select that product. Gather. Here, gather means what? The respective business or the product of what kind of a business you're going to do, that information should be gathered here. Okay. Then analyze. After gathering or after collecting the requirement, analyze. Is that correct or what? If you take this kind of a requirement, is your business going to work out? What that you are supposed to check. Then improves its data here. Whatever the data is available currently with the people, still improvement can be done here. Then information and knowledge assets here. Knowledge assets means what? Now, suppose you people are going to start the business of computer this itself here, computer classes itself here. Otherwise, building the website here, company of building the website here. For that purpose, what are the assets you need? You require this what infrastructure of a building or a block here. Then you are supposed to have the table. After that, having the table, every desk or a table, you are supposed to have the laptop, right? So that is also one kind of assets here. So that you have to check. And how it manages its information technology here. What kind of a technology your people going to use it here? Getting? Suppose if you're going to start the phone pay or Google Pay, the respective account should be there, the respective phone number should be verified for that. Here. You are supposed to check whether the amount is coming or no, whether the QR code is getting scanned or no. That is to be done here. Okay. Let us see here. Measurement, analysis, and improvement of organizational performance. Here. Again, two categories are there here. In the company, you are supposed to check. And in here, measurement of information resources, information technology, and knowledge. Here, what you people are going to use. I mean, what kind of a data, what kind of a business you have started for that purpose, what data you have gathered. And here you are supposed to see whether your data collected, analyzed, it is getting worked or no. Resource के साथ काम कर रहा है या नहीं. So that you have to check. Let us start here. Measurement, analysis, and improvement of organization performance. The first one, it is what? Performance management. What actually the performance management? You have decided to start a business and the respective product. So for that respective product, what performance management has to be done? What is a performance? What kind of a data you have collected? What kind of information you have collected? Whether you had collected that information is a proper way or no? It is getting worked out properly or no here? Collecting, aligning and integrating data and information here. Whatever the data of the respective product it is there, have you collected it correctly? Is there any integration of that product data? Is there availability or no? So that is integration should be means I can give you a best example. You see the pie bakery manufacturing company it is there here. So to prepare any bread or anything here, you need some kind of a resources, right? The maida, you need flour, then baking powder, baking soda, you need here. So all this information should be collected in a proper way. It should be integrated here. The performance should be specific way here. So that it is. Then performance analysis, review, and improvement here means what? Tracking the overall performance of the organization and progress relative to the objectives and action plans here means what? Whatever the business you are going to do here, along with your resources, along with your data, information, everything it is there. Is that working correct or no? Whether the this what progress report is going higher level or no here. Whatever the resources you have brought for your company or organization, is that working properly or no? Whatever the products you have brought in your shop or grocery sale, is that getting sell or no here? Whatever the action plans you have decided, whether it is working properly or no, everything has to be checked here. You assume that in the grocery shop, automatic this what automatic bill printing will be there. Sometimes what happens, software will get stuck here. So that also you have to check what are the action plans you had done, what problem has been occurred, where it is getting problem here, that should be solved here. Here it is what? Measurement, analysis, and improvement of organizational performance. The next one, measurement of information resources, information technology, and knowledge here. Information resources. Just now I have told you that to start making the payment of Phone Pay or Google Pay, what is required? You require first of all QR code, right? Otherwise, you need the mobile phone number. Otherwise, you need the respective bank ID number, IFSC code, then all other details also here. For that purpose, what you are going to manage here. Otherwise, think about before Google Pay or Phone Pay, what was there here? ATM card swiping was there here, right? So that respective machine swiping card it is there. Is that working properly or no? Is that whenever we insert the card, Is that getting the data collected or no properly? The cheap transaction is happening or no here? Management of information resources, whatever the requirements you're going to take, is that getting worked or no? Management here. Then data information and knowledge management means what here, what they have said, making the needed data and information available, providing access to workforce here. Now, if you go to the demand or Reliance Smart here, making that needed data here. Whenever we go for the billing purpose here, so they will take the respective product and they will scan here. For that purpose, whoever are going to do the bill here, for them, they need the information. They cannot see all the time what is the product price, what is the number here, ID number. After checking the ID number, they have to insert that record. No, it is not. Automatic should be there here. So for that purpose, making the needed data and information available and providing the access to workforce. Immediately, the scanner should be there, the system should be there. Automatically, this what product information should be scanned and bill should be generated here. Whatever the quantity you have taken, that should be multiplied and should make a total here. For that purpose, it is what information resources here. Then keeping the data and information availability mechanisms here means what? You will say no immediately. The stock is not available. You will check how many quantities are there here. This is not available. So that data should be always updated. You cannot say that nahi, आमच्याकडे nahi hai. You cannot say that it is there, but if you go in the this what stock market, it will be not available. So that time you cannot bring the confidentiality lower. Your confidential. You cannot tell the customer it is there, but it is not there. This should not happen here. Okay, and then. All the things should be there here. Always your one more I had told you the swiping machine should be updated always here. Then last one, and technology changes in the operating environment. Technology should be always updated. Few years back or few days back, swiping machine was there. Now it has come for the QR code or scanning. So now one more thing, we just scan with the help of mobile phone. Now that is also not available. If you go to the Apollo pharmacy or this what medical shop, you are not supposed to scan. They will ask your mobile phone number and automatically if you open that application, you will get this what notification. You are supposed to pay so and so amount. So that is also what the new technology which is being done by management of information resources, as they have said that technological changes in the operating environment. Okay. Then last one, it is what data, information and knowledge management. What it is there. Here, you are supposed to ensure the properties of the organizational data, information and knowledge here. Whatever the data it is there, that properties you have to go on checking. Now, if I say I take this what Parle-G biscuit here. So what are the properties of that here? It will be like expiry date. It will be like a manufacturing date. What is the cost price of that? Then everything it should come, photo, everything, scanning, barcode. So that properties also should be there. Accuracy, integrity, reliability.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
Request others to mute their mics here, please. Security and confidentiality also should be there. Information should be always provided with the security, yes, safety. Here also you can see with the help of picture whether the performance is working properly or no. Sometimes the company or the organization will come down. So to make up build up here, who are the employees should be there. So that is what measurement analysis. Main part is what improvement should be there. Then next one, fifth one, which is what workforce focus. Workforce. Now you are supposed to join to the company in this what Wipro, Infosys, anyway, or any job. So there, what kind of a work will be there? What kind of focus will be there? How the employees will be trained? How the employees will be communicated? Then extra skills will be add up. Everything you are supposed to check. Here, the relationship between the company and the employment. Here, previous one, what was there? It was with the company, with the employees, with the customer, it was there. Now here from your fifth point, which is the workforce focus, then process management, and the last one results, that is entire coming to the respective company and the employees here. Okay, what it will check here, examines the ability to assess the workforce capability and build a workforce environment conducive to high performance here. You can have a look here, the small picture I have created. Some employees are taking the training, some employees are, like example I've given, managing the data information here. Some employees are maybe going for the marketing sales here, and here somewhere the employees, some meeting is getting worked here, here hardware working is working here, and then here some recruiting is happening, everything like hiring the employees are there. Here if you see what, how the company's performance is going working, everything it is there here, entire workforce focus here. So let us see, 2 points are there again, workforce environment and workforce engagement here. So let us see what is the workforce environment. Here in this, focusing on maintaining a good working environment for the employees here. Environment also should be a proper. Getting, if your environment is not that good, employees also will be not impressed. Employees also will get bored to work in that this what infrastructure here, working places. Some impressive should be there here. And environment should be always focused. Maintaining should be there. Some changes should be maintained here. Then here you see recruiting, hiring and retaining the new employees. You are supposed to hire the new employees. To hire that respective employees, whole team has to go outside and hire that employees. What training can be given for the new employees? What, who are the retaining new employees? Transfer should be there. Shifting, like a day shift to the night shift, everything should be there. Then managing and organizing the workforce, management also should be there. No, some changes should be made here. Workforce should be there. Training should be different. If you are going to start the training, some this what digital board should be different here. Some chairs should be changed. Infrastructure should be managed. And last one, ensuring and improving the workforce, workplace health, safety, and security. Now what? In this pandemic period, after this what coronavirus or completion of the pandemic period, safety security should be there. Getting, um, you should maintain the social distance, everything it is there. So that kind of infrastructure should be built in. Till now, what was there in the company? Nearby all the desks were there. Now there's some distance should be there here. Security should be there. Safety should be there. Once you enter to the respective company, sanitizer should be used. Otherwise, temperature should be checked. Everything matters, no? So that is also there here. Ensuring the improving the workplace health, safety, and security here. And the last one, workforce engagement here. This is completely related to the employees here. So what they say, organization culture conducive to high performance and motivated workforce here. Once you enter to the company, you should get motivated to work in that place, highly performance, that you should say, I'm going to work in this company, my performance should be very well, it should be excellent. That kind of a motivation should be built by the organization people here. Then focusing on the training and education support in the achievement of the overall objectives. Means what? Now your best example, you can think about the Wipro also. Those who have got selected for the Wipro or it is about to get select, they will tell, see, if you get selected in a company, if you start working in our company, we will give you the chance to this what, pursuing MS course here along with your job, along with your working in the company. So 4 years you have to go on signing the bond here, and we will provide you the higher education also here. So they have said that focusing on the training and education support in the achievement of overall objectives here, including building employee knowledge here. If you have done with the PCA, once you join the respective company, that kind of a degree, along with that your level of the degree, they will start providing the MS this what degree also along with your working environment here. Then contributing to high performance, they will tell, if you attend this training, you are about to go for the higher level, senior level or senior of senior level. That kind of a training also should be given by the company people, which is going to get included in the workforce engagement here. Okay, and then uh, Reinforcing the new knowledge and skills on the job. Some extra things should be added up here. Extra training should be given for the employees here. And the last one, developing personal leadership attributes here. Okay. If you are a trainer, if you are employee, small, first level employee, then you will go to the TL. I mean, team leader should be there. Then you will go to the boss, like this way. So to be a team leader, what training can be given, that also should be focused by the this what company people here. Okay. So this is the workforce focus here. And the last one, it is sixth one, business process management here. What exactly here? This is completely related to the company here. What goals you have decided, whether the goals are getting worked or no, whether the employee is working properly or no, whatever the task is being given to the employee, are they achieving or no here? So that also should be checked here. So see here, what is the input means what? Who are the employees going to check? People, are they working properly or no? Process is going or no here, and the output of the result. So what this specifies? Examines how the organization manages and improve its work system and work processes to deliver the customer satisfaction and achieve organization success here. First of all, where how your company is getting worked. Management is becoming properly or no. Whatever the product business you have started, is it working or no? Who are the employees? Who are the customers? Everything should be checked here. Improves its work systems or no. If you are working along with the hardware system, those hardware systems are getting worked properly or no. Are they ensuring proper performance or no? Here that should be there here. Then after that, deliver custom work process to deliver customers. Now, if you think about the Reliance Jio Mart nowadays, they are working very hard, right? So there also the people, whoever the customer are there, some customers will order online. So after ordering online, whether that respective products being ordered by the customer here, are that getting delivered properly or no? Who are the employees delivering first properly or no? Are they safe or no? Secure should be given here. Customer satisfaction and achieve organizational success and sustainability here. Achievement is there or no here. So here again two things are there. First one, it is what? Work system design, and second one, it is what? Work process management and improvement here. The first one, let us see work system design here. Determine core competences of the organization here. For what purpose you are going to take part in the competition here, and to achieve that success here, who are the employees will work hard to bring the result properly. Who are the core committee? Normally, you will say no in the erosion part here, core committee, main people here, like this way here. Identify the key work process here, for what you have to focus more. So that determine key work process requirements, incorporating inputs from the customer here. More products, which are the products being taken by the customers, what is the key everywhere here. So normally now if you go to the medical shop, what kind of a mask is available here? Demand is there. N95 we will say here. So that N95 mask, how it can be delivered to the customer, that is a key requirement now. Everywhere key requirement is what? Sanitizers, mask, oximeter, live example, oxygen it is there. So that how it can be focused, that how it can be achieved. Key requirement should be checked here. Okay. And then design and improve work, innovates work process to meet the key requirements. To get that ventilator or to get that oximeter, what are the requirements? How you can be managed here? Who are the employees going to take that here? Take it. And the last one, work process management and improvement here. Implementing the work process to ensure that they meet the design requirements here. To take that sanitizer or mask here, who will go actually? I say that Chetan, you have to go. I have to check that whether Chetan is working or no here to meet the design requirement here. That using key performance measures or indicators here. Then for control and improvement of work process. And the last one, preventing defects, service errors and rework here. Yes, sometimes errors will come in your company or defectives will come here. So for that defectives or for that errors or negative feedbacks, That also you are supposed to work here. So this is what the process management here. And the last one, it is what? Results. Entire till now, whatever the 6 points we have learned: leadership, strategic planning, then customer focus, measurement analysis and knowledge management, workforce focus, and process management. Till 6 points we have done. Here you are going to check results of that respective criteria. Examines how the organization performance and improvement in all key areas. Now, what are the key areas? Whatever the product you have decided to start the business, that product is getting worked or no. I mean, that product is getting sold or outside or no. Then process outcomes, as selling outside or no. That outcomes you have to take. Customer focused outcomes, whether your regular customers are visiting or no, and you are also going to check the new customers are going to come or no here. Are they coming? That also. Then human resource outcomes here. Wherever the employees you have hired in your company, those employees are working properly or no. Are you going to decide to give their higher level performance or what here? Then leadership outcomes here. Whoever are the team leaders, whoever are the boss, are they working in their own position or no? Are they working according to their function or no? Are they working with the help of their own responsibility or no? Are they trying to improve the skills or no here? Then financial outcomes here. Yes, अगर business आ गया तो financial आएगा ना. So you had invested so and so amount, is that becoming double or no? So that should be there here. And so here the performance level is examined against the competitors. Yes, competition should be there here. What was the competition for the 2019? What is there in the 2020? If in the 2020 it is lower, what actions you can take, what you can do for the improvement here. And the last one, it is what? Organization with similar. If your company is of what? Reliance Smart, it is there. Now DMart is also there. So those both companies, Reliance Smart and DMart, they are checking like performance. It is getting worked here. Where the customers are coming more, are the customers satisfied or not here? Okay. So this is your last three topics. Results, process management, and workforce focus. Three things. This will come under the results triad. The way for this, let me show. Okay. So this leadership, strategic planning, and customer focus. This is the leadership triad, and the workforce focus, operation focus, and results. This is the together results triad. And measurement analysis and knowledge management. This is the separate part here. Okay. So this is your Balraj Excellence Framework here. So this I have completed the topic. First part of your first unit is done here. Okay. So tomorrow I'll start with the new point: key purpose of using IT in business here. Why you are supposed to use the information technology in business here? What are the key purpose? For what purpose you're going to use? You can start giving the attendance. If you are given with the attendance, you can leave my class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Take care. Give the attendance, please. 38 it is done. Still 2 members are there.